Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Canva. If you guys are new to the Guide Infinity channel, if you could scroll down and hit the subscribe button and also the like button, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. So to add text to an image, if you come over to the left-hand side and click on this text button, you are then presented with some different options. So you can choose to add a heading, add a subheading, or add text. So if we add a heading, then it's going to come up really nice and big for us, and then we can just type in whatever we want. And then we can then edit that text by going up to the top, and then we've got lots of different texts that we can choose from. Canva does have an amazing selection of different fonts. Some of them are only available if you have Canva Pro, but don't worry if you don't, there are lots of other ones that are available. So we can go and choose whatever text that we want. We can then change the size to however big or small we want. And then we can also change the color as well. Canva does have an amazing selection of different colors too. So we can scroll along here and we've got loads of different colors as well, which is awesome. So there we go, nice bright colors if we want, or yeah, amazing. You can also sort of change where you want your font to be. So if you right click and then press layer, you can send to back. So that means that you can send it to the back of your image if you are wanting to create some different effects. Also within the text option, you have got some different fonts that have been created by Canva. Again, some of them are only available if you have Canva Pro. So if we scroll down and choose one that we like, I think, let's have a look. I think this one is cool. So we'll delete that. So if we press this, so that can look really funky, and then you just click on it and then add the words that you want, which can look really cool. And then once you have finished creating your design, if you come up to the top right and press share and then download, you are then able to download your design. You can choose to do it in a JPEG, PNG, or PDF. I often do JPEG, as PNG can be quite a large file. So if you just click on that, click download, and it will then go into your downloads folder, and then you can do whatever you wish with it. So that is how to add text in Canva. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.